Hi, this is Asin.
Hi, I'm Supriya Pathak Kapoor.
And you're watching me on
Bollywood Hungama.
Bollywood Hungama. Very happy.
Yeah.
All of us have put in a lot of our time and work into it, and it's finally
also,
coming out.
Yeah, I think the feedbacks we're getting are very nice and very interesting. Everybody is seeing that it's very funny, and they're looking forward to what's going to happen. I think it always gives you a lot of pleasure to have that kind of thing, a feeling of somebody waiting for your work to come. I think the story and the Umesh, the way he narrated it, and the whole setup, I think that's what really got me excited enough to. I think the story is very sweet, and I think it says something so beautiful, both for the parents as well as for the children. I personally feel we are moving away from whatever we were really holding on to for all these years and all these centuries, what we were called Indians for. And we're moving away from that. And this one kind of, helps you bring back those values or whatever you might say. I don't think it's preachy, but there's something very nicely said about this which makes you feel a little different in today's time.
Yeah. Well, honestly, I had taken a break from films after Khiladi. But Umesh sir came to me with this film, and it was like she said, the script is really nice. It was a nice, decent family film, and of course, him being the talented director, oh my God, was one of my favorite films, and still is. Working with all the lovely people, I thought this is a lovely film to be part of as my 25th film. This will be my 25th release.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
So I thought, yeah, this is something that I should definitely be part of.
It's a relationship film, and there are all kinds of very different mixed relationships in it. A husband-wife, a mother-son, a boy-girl, a fathered son, a father and the to-be bahu, all kinds of. It's a story of these four people, and their actually their movement from one point in their life to another point in their life, and how that whole process changes everything and everybody, which is what I think happens in life too. But here we are kind of saying it in a very funny kind of way, not making it
very light-hearted.
Yeah, not making it heavy. I did expect that he would definitely be a different kind of a director, because Oh My God is not the kind of film which anybody and everybody would pick up and make. I've also seen the play, so I was quite happy to see that somebody has taken this kind of a subject and made a film out of it, and that film has done well. So I mean, that was a very happy change for me from what I've been seeing. And when I came on sets, I think that's what I was expecting, that at least we'll be making something different, which we have, which is not like a run-of-the-mill kind of story of so and so and so and so. It's not. It has a lot of undercurrents, and it's still very light. It's not going to make you feel. But at the same time, you don't come out of the theatre seeing that, bhai masti ho gayi, chalo bas. You carry back home something.
Well, I play a girl called Nimmi in the film, who's a Punjabi, but she lives abroad. Her parents are back in Punjab, and she's somebody who, as Abhishek put it, is a conscience of the film in a way, because she's somebody who's the stable one throughout, who's trying to bring balance between the different relationships, and she's somebody who's very positive, and she believes that everything is somehow going to work out in the end. But somewhere her belief is also a little shaken. So the turmoil that she also goes through, where she's trying to be the positive person throughout the film and trying to work everything out in her little way and trying to just keep everybody together. So I guess she's one stable factor in the film, kind of trying to bind everybody and stabilize the situation. Yeah.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.